today I'm going to be trying to get Raz and giving them away. So yeah, let's ask Super Me. Okay, she's looking and it's okay. We had a bit, I don't even know what to say. Oopsie. Okay, so she's looking for it. Okay, I'm just gonna change the stats. Okay. Raz just gave me, Raz just gave me gifts. Oh, she's giving me two. E-R-V-I-T. Wait, and thank you, I'm just gonna say. What? Okay. Yes, I do. Okay, this girl sent me some stuff. I hope it's good. I hope. Please? Oh, I don't know what yet. Oh, sorry, what color? Oh, the shoes, because I don't. Anything. I don't really care. Oh, he gave me those. Thank you. These are really cute. Love them. Yay. Oh, thank you so much. Recording, by the way. Oh my gosh, she gave me this hat. I want to wear it, yeah. OMG, that's cute. Oh my god. Does it like come with the dress? Okay. Oh, Raz, thank you. Thank you so much, Raz. And Super Me. Thank you. Oh, I just love Raz. Okay. Raz is really nice. And Super Me. In a hurry, okay? Wait, what? I thought you were. Oh my. She didn't know I was recording. Okay. Let's just open. Oh my gosh, I love that hat. That is so cute. Okay, let's just see the next one. Oh, I like these. Yes. Love them. Thank you. And another one by Raz. Let's see. Ooh, new ear thing. I love this one. I love the hat color. Okay, what's this one? Let's see. I can't even see what it is. I already got like three of these. Are these Raz? Comment down below if these are Raz. Because I got like three of them now. Okay. Okay. Okay, I made myself look like a Raz person. And then I'm gonna ask more people if I can. Okay, so I'm asking for this girl. Why am I the way I am? Can I please have Raz? Okay. I'm asking her, she's writing something. And she says, huh? No? I don't have one, I think. Okay. Wait. How many days did you buy VIP? OMG guys, Raz just gave me another gift. I have no idea what it is, but I hope it's good. It's amazing. Please give me this. Please give me this. Okay, let's open it. Come on. Okay, no this? No, empty? Yes? Okay. OMG, she gave me this. Thank you, Raz. Okay, I need to ask her. Queen bee one. Need to ask her. Okay, I'm asking Brooklyn for Raz. And yeah, we can trade. I'm trying to get many as possible. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this, please subscribe so you won't miss